Hello, assalamu alaikum. Today I have come at the bank of the river Meghna. I have been very astonished and surprised and thrilled to see the morning weather. Temperature is 16 degrees Celsius, and fishermen have been fishing fish from the night for 8 to 10 hours. They have been catching fish in the deep river, and in this cold weather, catching fish at night, leaving their family behind at home is not a easy task. And in the very early in the morning, just after Fajr, they bring their fish and they sell their fish at Paikari fish market, and they get some money. They have to pay their Mahajan fees, and they have to pay their debt, loans, and their life is very difficult. They wear torn dresses, and catching fish in cold water. They have to dive in the water. They have to throw the nets, cast the nets in the river. Sometimes their nets get caught in the different kind of holes, and they have to dive into the river and remove their nets. So actually, in different profession, there are some problems, but the life of a fisherman is very complex. And our river is drying out day by day, and the number of fish, the amount of fish is also decreasing day by day. And most importantly, the children of the fishermen, to help their family, they help their parents in the boat, and in this way they are deprived of going to school. And in 21st century, second quarter, it is very difficult for a citizen to be to survive without education. So I feel for them, and I hope all the best for them, and I hope the authorities should come forward to their help and make easy, they make policy so that fishermen's life become more and more easy, and they are given some kind of subsidies, and they are given different kind of help from the authority, from the upper quarter of the society. And in this way, the society, the class, fisherman class, will be uplifted, and our country will develop day by day. I get up early in the morning, and I see the different lifestyles of different class of people. And in the weekend, especially in Friday and Saturday, I have plenty of time. I spend 3 or 4 hours outside and see, talk to them, meet different people, and enjoy the serenity, the beauty of the nature. Thank you very much.